Today on ChessKid, I bring you a spectacular marvel. FunMasterMike takes a break, and your host is Sir David Attenborough. In my 93 years on Earth, I have never seen such a magnificent checkmate in the wild. This is more rare than a California condor, a Sumatran tiger, a red wolf, even a Borneo orangutan. Wait, there is an orangutan opening in chess? Well, forget that one. This is brought to you by the spectacular wildlife photographer, Grandmaster Arjun Eragaisi. White to move and checkmate in 3. Arjun played the spectacular bishop to e5 check, and no matter which way this bishop is captured, it will lead to devastation. More devastation than the Amazon rainforest. For example, if the rook on the second rank captures, this blocks off the bishop, allowing the queen to come to f6 with a devastating checkmate. And if we go back, if the other rook captures, more of the same. Queen to f6, leading to checkmate. And finally, if the bishop captures, the rooks are no longer communicating, allowing queen takes e8 check. Queen blocks. Queen captures queen, checkmate. A magnificent marvel of the disconnection of the black pieces. Bishop to e5 check, leading to mate. If you have not subscribed already, please do so. On ChessKid, you just never know who your guest host will be.